Welcome back, everybody. We had bright blue sky for most of the day, and then through the afternoon, clouds quickly increasing. We have some rain showers now that are moving out across the Helena Valley. Temperatures are dropping as well. Great Falls perfectly clear this morning, and now look at some of the dark clouds that we have off in the distance. Temperatures again dropping, as well as we're starting to see that cloud cover block out the sun. 50s, 60s. Few 40s where we've had a little more in the way of some rain here. Winds, a little breezy out of the east here today, but low pressure will work its way up through the central and eastern part of the state here through Thursday, and that will increase the westerly wind. But as this storm continues to intensify all the way into Friday, we'll really likely see some pretty strong winds, and strong enough for a high wind watch to be issued up there around East Glacier. This is the only spot under a watch right now as far as the wind goes, but again, most of the state will be pretty windy here as we go through Friday especially. But there you can see the showers, the thunderstorms, mainly in the southwestern part of the state here. Around Great Falls, things are quiet. Most of the activity is off towards the south, but look at some of this rain coming through around Geyser and Belt, heading in the direction of eastern Cascade County. And around Helena, showed you the picture from the station earlier, and you can see the rain showers that are now increasing here. And we likely will have a decent amount of rain here tonight. Some snow up into the Big Belts, Deep Creek Canyon, White Sulphur Springs will get some snow. We've got some snow into the higher terrain of western Montana. Had a couple of showers up across the north central and northeast part of the state. Look at that right along the Missouri River, at least just north of the river bank there. We've got a little shower there into extreme southern parts of Phillips and Valley counties. The storm system, the low pressure right here, that will work its way up into Montana through tonight and tomorrow. Elsewhere, pretty quiet, just some severe weather for parts of Minnesota. So here's what will happen. Showers, thunderstorms continuing here this evening through the overnight. Look at the rain developing. Lewistown down around Bozeman again. Great Falls, Helena, we'll see some rain through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. And then the rain really focuses into eastern Montana, and that's where the lion's share of the precipitation will be. We'll have a couple of showers through the afternoon around the Continental Divide and just off of the Continental Divide. But look at some of this heavy rain continuing into Thursday night and Friday morning. At the same time, another little system comes in from the west, and we may start out with a little snow down the Continental Divide here on Friday the 13th. And we'll still deal with a little rain northeast Montana throughout the day on Friday, with mixed rain and snow showers and a couple of isolated thunderstorms elsewhere. And it will be very windy on Friday as well. Look at some of that precipitation in the eastern part of the state. Really, Havre, Lewistown, points east, that's where the heaviest precipitation will be. But we will see a couple tenths of an inch around Helena and Great Falls. And mountain snow, the big snowies, the little belts, the big belts, the crazies, down there around the Beartooths as well, and even the western mountains getting a little coating over the next couple of days. Here's the forecast for tonight. Rain increasing, probably holding off until tomorrow morning early, north central, northeast Montana. Rainy night around Lewistown, snow into the little belts, the big belts, even right up along the Continental Divide. Places like Elliston, Boulder could have a little mix of rain and snow. For tomorrow, solid rain in the eastern half of the state. There will be showers, Great Falls, Helena, and Bozeman early on. Maybe a little sun poking through the clouds by the afternoon. Friday, very windy here with scattered showers and still some rain up across the eastern part of the state. Then heading into the weekend, that's a warm front. Try to warm things up here on Saturday a bit. So we'll have a couple of scattered showers. And Sunday, this will be a pretty nice day where temperatures do warm up and thunderstorms should hold off until late Sunday evening. 70s continue into early next week before another cold front goes through about next Wednesday. And late next week, it turns much colder again with showers and lowering snow levels.